Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the medication of the seizure and epilepsy. Most common seizures can be completely controlled. In 80% of all cases, a control not a cure. To use the least amount of drug and to have the least amount of side effects. Surgery may be effective for some children. Special diet may be used in some cases. How does epilepsy affect a child at the school? When managed effectively and with the support and planning, students with epilepsy should be encouraged to participate in the school activity. Some students may need extra support at the school or colleges due to difficulty with learning, behavior and or mobility. Some children may occasionally be more sleepy than usual due to a recent medication adjustment. This should be temporary. Classroom considerations because epilepsy affects the brain, it can affect the learning process, accommodate varied attention span and the processing speed by making provisions for access to alternate quiet work area, use of clear explicit and the visual instructions, regular breaks as needed, scheduling the important and demanding activities after breaks, presenting the activity or idea at a time, provision of the notes in advance or use of technology to record lessons, time extensions for test and assignment, additional means for filling in the potential gap of missed content. Consider participating in the Purple Day in March and raising the school awareness. Next is the first aid. Stay calm. Time the seizure. Note the time that the seizure start and end. Most seizure last less than the 5 minutes. Protect from harm. Move hazardous object out of the way. Do not put anything in the student mouth. Fourth, put the child into the recovery position. Place something soft under their head. Roll the child on their side once seizure is ended, and it is the safe to do so. Loosen the tight clothing, remove the objects, that is glasses. Fifth, document on the seizure record form. Describe the seizure, how long the seizure lasted, and how the person acted immediately before and after the seizure. Recovery, the reassure and provide comfort. First, talk gently to comfort and the reassure the student. Stay with them until they are reoriented. Post-seizure period, check for injuries, call parents if necessary as per care plan. Allow the student to change clothing if necessary. Allow student to rest or sleep. Students may complain of headache or be confused. No food or drink until the student is fully awake and alert. Have someone remain with student until fully recovered. In today's class, I discuss about the first aid for the epilepsy. Thank you for watching.